changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
I am here in Gurgaon to drive the new MG Windsor EV. I'm sure you remember we showed you the sneak peek of the car from its launch event a few days ago. And now it's time to take you on a drive in it.
Hi guys, so we are ready to hit the road with the new MG Windsor EV and I am really excited. So let me get a first-hand experience of it and tell you whether this electric marvel lives up to its hype or not. Let's go.
First and foremost, take a look at the car.
You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing.
I really like the build and design of this car. It's big enough to give it a luxury car look, but not too big also, so moving around in it in the city traffic or parking it in crowded areas should be convenient. Talking about the design, it comes in an MPV-like shape and the Aero Glide design makes it quite noticeable on the roads. The car is sleek and the exteriors are minimalistic and no nonsense. There are the connected light bars at the front and rear and the MG logo placed below the connected DRL strip at the front. It has body side molding to protect it from scratches and minor damages, flush handles on the doors and 18-inch alloy wheels. This new offering from MG measures 4,295 mm in length, 2,126 mm in width and 1,677 mm in height. Inside, the cabin is spacious and feels premium, and this is quite noteworthy given the car's price range. Now, let me show you the interiors of the car. The black interiors and gold highlights look quite plush. There's a huge infotainment system, front ventilated seats, 256 color ambient light, 9-speaker audio system, wireless charging port, armrest, cup holder and 604 liters of boot space, which is quite large.
You can't stop what's moving.
At the back, you have the Aero lounge seats that recline to 135 degrees. Road trips are going to get more comfortable with these seats if you are in the passenger seat, isn't it? All in all, there's enough legroom and headspace both at the back and front. Apart from this, here's the infinity view glass roof. And now coming to one of the most talked about features of this car, the 15.6-inch infotainment system. To be frank, initially when I started driving, this huge infotainment system felt a bit distractive to me, but later on I got used to it. I feel that its user interface is quite simple and user-friendly and it is adequately responsive to touch. Also, it comes packed with features. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay along with over 80 connected features and the MG App Store powered with Jio so you can play games and watch OTT content. For safety, the car comes with 6 airbags and safety features including 360-degree surround camera, tire pressure monitoring system, all-wheel disc brakes amongst others. However, the car lacks ADAS. The MG Windsor EV has 4 driving modes: Eco Plus, Eco, Normal and Sport. It has a 38 kWh battery pack which is standard across range. This unit is IP67 certified. The car is claimed to have a 331 km range on a single charge. The car supports up to 45 kW DC fast charging which MG claims can charge the battery from 0 to 80% in 55 minutes. MG is offering 1 year free charging at public chargers through the eHub by MG app. Talking about the driving, I mostly drove on normal mode and tried the other modes briefly in between. I drove the car for a good number of hours starting from Gurgaon on both the highway as well as the city roads and some congested lanes as well. Thanks to all the rain one day before our drive, we also ended up test driving on some muddy roads. On normal, the steering wheel of the car feels light for a car this size and the maneuverability is quite good. There's no turbo lag and the pickup is pretty smooth. The car manages to cross over minor potholes smoothly without too many jerks, but it did feel bouncy on comparatively larger potholes. However, driving it in busy or even congested streets was pretty easy. Thanks to the disc brakes on all 4 wheels, the MG Windsor EV has very good stopping power and comes to a halt effectively. All in all, it is a pretty decent and comfortable drive. As we told you before, during the launch of this car, MG is offering you an innovative scheme on it, Battery as a Service or BAS, which excludes the battery's cost on the car. As per MG, it is being offered to cut the initial expense on the acquisition of the car as customers have to pay for the battery depending on its usage. The customers can rent the battery and there are different packages available for this based on the minimum monthly usage, per kilometer charges, etc. MG has collaborated with 4 finance companies to offer these packages. With BAS, the MG Windsor is being offered at 9.99 lakh rupees plus battery rental starting at 3.5 rupees per kilometer. Those who don't want the BAS scheme and want to go the traditional way can take the car with the battery pack as well at prices starting from rupees 13,49,800 ex-showroom.
So we are finally done with the drive and it was quite enjoyable. The car scores well in terms of its looks and features and is a comfortable drive both on city roads and highways. That's all from us for now. I will see you soon again. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360 for more such content. See you.
I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again.